This video will provide a detailed introduction to managing and using MySQL databases within ServBay. First, open ServBay and click on Services in the left navigation menu. Then select MySQL. Choose the MySQL version you want to install. ServBay currently supports MySQL versions from 5.1 to 9.1. Locate the desired MySQL version and click the green icon to download it. Once the download is complete, you can manage the database directly within the ServBay interface. You can start, stop, restart, and uninstall the service. Next, let's connect to the database. ServBay comes pre-installed with phpMyAdmin and Adminer. Click the gear icon to access the database settings page. The icon in the upper right corner will take you directly to phpMyAdmin. Adminer can be accessed in the same way. On the login page, enter the root username and password. You can copy these from the ServBay control panel. Click Login to access the database. Please note that this root account has full administrative privileges, allowing you to create databases and other users. Therefore, we need to create a separate user. This user, unlike the root user, will only have permissions for a specific database. This enhances the security of our data and prevents accidental deletion of other databases. Click User Accounts at the top. On the page that opens, click Add User Account. In the Login Information section, enter a username, host, usually localhost for local development, and password. Under the Database for User Account section, there's an option, Create Database with Same Name and Grant All Privileges. Check this box. This allows us to quickly and easily create both a user and a database with the same name. After creating the database, you can manage it within phpMyAdmin, such as creating tables. In the left-hand menu, select the database you just created. Enter the table name and field information, such as field name, type, length, default value, etc. Click the Save button to create the table. You can also add data. In the left-hand menu, select the table you want to work with. phpMyAdmin also allows you to insert data. Click Insert. Enter the data values. Click the Go button to save the data. Click Browse to view the data in the table. You can use the query feature to filter the data. If you need to update data, locate the row you want to edit, click the edit icon, modify the data values, and save. phpMyAdmin also allows you to delete data. Simply check the checkbox next to the row you want to delete, and then click the Delete button to confirm. Deleting tables is a similar process. To delete a database, select the database you want to remove and click the Drop the Database button. This will successfully delete the database. Additionally, ensuring the security of your database is crucial. It's highly recommended to set strong passwords for your database users and to perform regular backups to prevent data loss. By following these steps, you can easily manage MySQL and other databases provided by ServBay using phpMyAdmin. The process for managing other SQL databases is similar. Of course, for more in-depth tutorials on databases, you can visit the help documentation on the ServBay website. In the next video, I'll show you how to install Laravel. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss it.